show you how to create a pattern fill layer in the Photoshop app. First, you have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here, we just select the layer. Then we go into the top row, click on layer. Then we move to new fill layer, and here we click on pattern. And here we can just click on OK. And here we have this pattern, but also we can use some other patterns like this or like this. Let's use this. We can set an angle. You can click on OK. You can set a blending type. For example, just soft light, and then we can set the opacity as well to achieve the desired effect. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.